In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up time-based call routing in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Head over to .dashboard.lab.callflows and click plus create new call flow. Then name it time-based routing and assign a phone number. In the visual editor, drag the profile time rule element from the right-hand panel into your flow. Then click on it to edit. You'll see it automatically creates two branches, one for in-hours and one for after-hours. And you can set your business hours anytime by going to Settings, Business Profile, then Business Hours. On the in-hours branch, drop in a forward to user or forward to team node so calls during business hours get routed to your team as normal. Right below that, add a voicemail node as a fallback in case nobody picks up, and configure your basic voicemail settings. Now, on the After Hours branch, drag the Custom Time Rule element from the right-hand panel into your flow and click to edit it. In the pop-up, select the specific days and times you want this rule to cover. For example, if you want weekends handled differently, select Saturday and Sunday and set the time from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Click Add New Rule and close the pop-up. You'll now see a new branch on your call flow for weekends and another for all other off-hours times, and you can add as many custom time rules as you need. On the weekend branch, add an AI agent node and select your pre-configured SalesCaptain agent to handle those calls automatically. Right below the AI agent, add a voicemail node and configure the basic settings so callers can still leave a message if needed. On the Other Timings branch, add a forward to user node and enter the number you want after-hours weekday calls forwarded to. Hit Save and head back to the Call Flows overview page. You'll see your new time-based routing flow is live and active. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.